station.
Hello, Comanche Native here, and I'm playing Monster Hunter Wilds. Okay, guys, it has come to my attention that my character creation codes may be different or out of date. You know, honestly, I do not know if there is a timer for the character creation codes. I don't know. I don't know. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the front menu and I'm going to issue new character creation codes for the characters that I have up. Of course, V for Vendetta is going to still remain off. I plan on making a character here soon, so let's go ahead and get into that, and I will meet you at the front menu. Come on in, have a seat. I am all about quality. I am. I found out that apparently some of the codes didn't work, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it out. Now, these are the characters that are still here to download. V for Vendetta has been taken off. This one right here, the code didn't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go and hit the back button and hit download design. And I'm going to type the code in to see if it is invalid. Now, again, I do not know if there is a time limit to any of these characters, or if you name them the same if there's a conflict there. I'm on console, so we don't get a lot of information. We don't. They don't really update us. Okay, so I typed in the code, capital LM, number 8, capital P, capital W, number 7, capital Y, capital B, number 3, capital L, capital S, and number 3. Okay, so that's the problem. This code doesn't work. Ooh. Ooh, goodness. Ooh, okay, fine. Be difficult. I don't mind. Okay, fine. That's all right. It's okay. It's like, oh, not gonna work for you. Why not? Oh, because, yeah, I make a video saying, hey, here's my codes, guys. And then it's all of a sudden it's like, nah, it's not gonna work. All right. You know what I'm gonna do from now on? I'm gonna have to make this sort of a practice. I'm going to test my codes out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and type in another. Man, I cannot believe this. Alright, hang on. You know, when I go and put these codes out here, I'm going on what they've shown me. And for this to be a problem, I guess it happens a lot. But for me, guys, if I tell you I have a character out there and this is the code, please let me know if it's not working. Okay, so I typed in number 7, capital X, number 6, number 8, number 8, number 3, capital H, capital W, number 9, capital U, number 3, number 6. Oh, man. And that one didn't work either. What in the world, Capcom? What are you doing to me? Huh? You know what? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. What I did was I looked up this code. I only saw someone post one Reddit post about this. And it's not good. It's not good. Okay, so from what I've seen, and it's just one post, not a lot of information there, right? So I have a check mark, basically saying that these characters are uploaded and ready to go. Now, here's the problem with what I read online on that Reddit deal. They say, let me go ahead and go back. I'll just discard all changes. They say when you delete a character, now Vi the Pit Fighter used to be here, but you know what? They only give us 3 save slots. They need to fix this. Capcom, you need to fix this because this is a problem. This is a major problem. For people who like to create characters, this is a major problem. So they only give us 3 of these, right? And they said in the post, oh, that's because if you delete that character, then the save data is gone and the code goes invalid. So they're basically trying to tell us that in order for us to share characters that we come up with, we have to keep the save data. That's incorrect, because guess what? The save data for this character is still active. So why didn't the code work? Yeah, I know. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. Now, I totally believe that the codes became inactive if I deleted both of these, but I didn't. I only deleted one, which was Vi. That was it. So it doesn't make any sense. It does not make any sense why the codes are not working the way they are supposed to. See? Now, if I deleted all of them, then yes, I'd be like, oh no, that means I gotta save it in one character section and then keep it there for the rest of, like for a certain amount of time in order for people to download it. And that's wrong. That's wrong because as you've seen, Caitlyn is still active. So what happened? What happened there, Capcom? Huh? You need to fix this. Why give us 36 character creation designs for a hunter, but only give us 3 character playable slots? And we have to go through those playable slots in order for us to design a character. This error is a bad one, and I hope they fix it. I really do, because what I'm going to do for the time being is I'm going to reissue the codes. And reissuing is basically going here, view and delete uploads. So this is the code that doesn't work anyway. It doesn't work anyway at all. That's the code right there. And then I hit yes. It's going to take it down. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit this again, which is triangle, and then upload design. The upload design is adjusted due to the server data matching check. The upload design was adjusted due to the server data matching check. So someone made a character called Vi Pit Fighter, and they adjusted the design because of that. I'm going to hit yes anyway because it doesn't give me any other choice. So this is the new character code right here. Right here. Let me write this down and see if it works. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to hit yes. And then I'm going to come down here to this part right here. Hit the sub. No, we're going to hit back. We're going to hit back. And then we're going to hit download design. Hit this. Okay, then this. And then I'm going to type in this code that I just got done doing to see if this works. Come on. Do not tell me that. You know, I'm glad I kind of found this out now, because I would hate to be, hey, guess here's some more characters, and they're not working. Okay, let me check this. Okay, it looks good. Okay, so the new code for Vi the Pit Fighter is capital W, capital J, number 8, capital M, capital B, number 3, capital J, capital F, number 6, capital X, number 6, number 9. I'm going to hit done, connecting, and there it is. There it is. That's it. Found the following design. Creator Hunter. It gives my ID, and then it also says online ID and everything, and then I can hit save or change appearance. Now again, when you change appearance, you can. I don't mind that. I really don't. But you will need a voucher. I think you will need a voucher in order for you to do it. I don't know. But this is what you're supposed to get when you follow the codes that I'm giving you and then plug them in. So I'm going to hit save design. And then I'm going to place it right here. Right here. Yes. And then it's going to say design 5, and it's going to put a, like, do not enter. That? So weird. Okay, so that's been saved. Yay! Yay! Have to hit back, and then hit exit. Quit downloading? What do you mean? What do you mean quit downloading? Hello? Save design. Let's do this again. Save design. I thought I did it right here. Didn't I do it right here? Yeah, it's there. So, what are you doing? I can't hit save again. Yes. Okay, so I overrided. Hello? If I hit save, I can hit save design all over again, but you know what? I don't want to do that. I want to hit the back button. And then hit... See, this is where things get bad. You hit save design again, it'll go back to here. I don't want to change appearance. I just want to exit. Or should I just hit cancel at this point? Cancel. And then it says, do you want to quit design? So I'll say no. And then I'll hit exit. And it's asking this... Oh, man. Anyway. I tell you. Okay, so what I'm going to do again is I'm going to issue another code for this one. Upload design. Yes, please. It's connecting. Yay, I'm glad you're connecting. And there's the new code, guys. There is the new code. Let me... Man. Goodness. I'm so sorry. This cannot be easier. I really do apologize about that. Alright, so that's the new code for this character. And what I'm going to do is, just like I did this one here, I'm going to... Wait, I have to go back. I have to hit the back button, then go down to download design, hit this, hit that, and then type this in. And this is the new code that hopefully will be saved for good? Question mark. Question mark, big time. Oh, man. I like to test stuff out. You know, I could go and ask for help. Like, could you help me and everything? But I like to test things out myself to try to see what's going on. Okay, let me check. Let me recheck the code really quick. Alright, and then I will hit done. It's connecting. And there it is. This is the new code. Right there. For you console people out there, I don't know how it is for the computer, but then you hit save design. And then you pick an area. And then hit save. And then save character design. And then there it is. It's there. Now you can rename these if you want, instead of having it design 5 and 6. So I'm going to go ahead and do that because that's what I want to do. And then, of course, when it comes to this, you just hit exit anyway and then hit yes. Then I go to save and load, and it's here. Then I'll hit the sub menu and then just rename it. The entered text will be visible to many people and may be saved by others. Please avoid content that is illegal. Yeah, okay, no problem. Come on. I'm just going to say, and then I'm just going to say, I'm going to say BU. Vi BU. That's it. Backup. That's it. That's what I'm going to name that. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to this one. Rename. And then I'm just going to put her name. Oh, man. So many hoops to jump through just to be able to share some character designs. Okay. And then there. That's it. So that will be, for me to know, this is my backup. Again, guys, if the codes do not work, please let me know. I don't mind coming back in and then reissuing the whole thing. Yes, I made videos about the characters and stuff like that already. What I plan on doing is I'm going to give them the update codes. Okay, you'll have the update codes in the description. So if you come across any of my old characters and everything, just look into the description. I will update that. As many times I have to update it, I will update that code so you guys can have the chance to download some of my characters. Again, I don't get anything when you download them. I don't get any credit, or, well, you saw it there, I get a little credit. But again, I don't, that's it. That's it. Now, the fact that it gives you this part right here, I think that's because it kind of ties you to the creator, the no enter sign. I think that's what it does. You know, I think. I don't know. Capcom, you guys need to fix this. Please fix it. It's a beautiful, wonderful game. I know when games come out, there's a lot of bugs. There's a lot of issues that you know, arise. Stick with it, guys. Stick with it, Capcom. I love you guys. You guys are great. I don't know you personally, but as a gamer, I appreciated all your games. So, please, out of the kindness of the community, try to get this adjusted and fixed, if possible. If possible. But that's it, guys. I hope this video helps anyone. Now I have to go do a lot of updating. But this is Comanche Native, and I will see you next time. Getting out of this, I have to get out, and it's going to say finish customizing your hunter. I can hit save because I don't want to say discard all changes. I'll hit save changes, and it'll tell me that a voucher is not being used because I didn't alter this. All right, there it is, guys. I wanted to be clear when I got out that this is what I had to do. Okay, that's it. That's it. Thank you for watching.